Going to here at Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair. Today we're working on a 2006 Dodge Charger or Chrysler 300. It's the same car. Anyways, so we're working on the Chrysler 300. Customer states vehicle does not start. We thought it was going to be a jump start type situation, or maybe they ran out of gas, but they did not run out of gas, nor did they have a battery issue. The vehicle just would not start, and when you hit the key, nothing would happen. We connected to the scan tool. We checked to see if we were getting a start command from the ignition. We were not, so we started to investigate. We pulled the ignition out and we disassembled the ignition cylinder, and we found that broke. Pretty common problem on these, I guess. Not too surprising. So if we get this shaft replaced, the vehicle should start. We're going to have to extract it out the back right there and get that piece removed. But once we do that, the vehicle should be all that and a bag of chips to start the vehicle again. Thanks so much for joining. This is Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair.